time for another telekinesis tutorial. But first, please bookmark my Stan store, check out my products. I also do coaching and classes and sub-clubs and tarot readings for all 12 zodiac signs. I do daily astrology transits over on my Patreon, patreon.com/TheArteagan. I am a screenwriter. My whole thing is screenwriting and telekinesis, screenwriting and psychic ability. When I sell my next screenplay, I will be able to do all of these things in a whole different way for free $99. However, the writers are on strike. The guild I'm trying to get into is on strike. The guild I'm already a part of, SAG-AFTRA, we are also on strike. So, in the meantime, I hope this tutorial helps and that you will consider supporting me through this difficult time as an artist. I so very much appreciate that. When I first started TheArteagan, it was free, and there's a select small group, core group of people that I did train for absolutely free. Love my people. When I first started the club, TheArteagan, I still had some money left over from my last screenplay sale, and so the next time it happens, we'll be back. Okay, so for your telekinesis, really the biggest thing is to get rid of the self-limiting belief that it's not possible or that you cannot do it. That's the resistance that's going to impede your progress and impede everything. So that's like number one. I recommend following people that also do it and just like looking at it, watching it, and imagining yourself doing it. Even practice. Even if you guys do it with your even if you do it with just air, just using the air, you know, making it move with air just so that you can see yourself moving it without your hand, start there. That's going to visually help you align with, yes, you can do this. Next, you want to literally gather your energy. So you want to feel sensation in your hands. If you don't feel sensation, you want to rub your palms together. Oops. You want to rub your palms together and get the sensation going so you can feel the energy. Then you want to release the energy, directing it at your object. I like to use the imagination method where I visualize and I imagine my little friends moving in the way that I would like them to move. This is one of my difficulties, is aiming, because there was stuff moving in my life and I thought it was a poltergeist. I thought it was like a ghost or something, but it turned out to be spontaneous telekinesis, and it happens when I'm really stressed out. So aiming at what you want, like if you aim for this one and that one moves, like it's like a thing. So you just like visualize, imagine, let's say, you know, you want this guy to spin around, or you want him to levitate, or you want him to fall down. That's what you want to visualize and imagine.